Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete account on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. Once on Instagram, tap the profile icon on the bottom right part of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three lines icon on the top right part of your screen. On the menu, tap the settings and privacy. Once you're on settings and privacy, tap the account center. Under the account settings, tap the personal details. On the personal details page, tap the account ownership and control. Then tap the activation or deletion. Select the account that you want to delete. In here, you'll want to select delete account. Then tap continue. Instagram will ask you why you're deleting your account. Select the option that coincides with your situation. Once you're done selecting an option, tap the continue button. You'll be prompted to enter your password to continue with the deletion. Once done, tap continue. To continue with the deletion of your account, tap the delete account button. Your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. Like and subscribe.